Good morning. Good morning, guys. So, I have a job at hand that I'm doing, and I would like to take you guys along with me. Because if I try to start doing a perfect video making and at the end of the day, I will start editing it again, it will be a huge stress for me. I might end up not making what you should go to your room if you want to play. I might end up not achieving that. So making perfect videos now and editing and all that is not possible for me this period because okay, you all know the reason. So first, before I will go into any other thing, I like to cover my I like to align my paper. Don't mind this children, they're just distracting me. I like to align my cake pan. Yeah, that's one thing I love to do first. Go to your room, guys. Go to your room. Chimena should see yourself. What knows of?
You that used to disturb mommy when she's doing video.
Oh, yeah. What's that? Prosper. Then back the pencil.
Ah! Ah! I pressed it.
Prosper, I don't know that. Do you hear me? So this is how Prosper happens. Go this way. To your room fast. So this is how I align my cake pan. So because I'm making vanilla cake, I don't need to align both the sides of the cake pan. I just align the down. That's what I do. So I'm making 10 inches cake pan. Okay. So what I'm making is a 10-inch and and 8 inches cake pan. So I'm considering mixing all of it together. So I don't want it to be too stuffy for me to handle, but I'll give it a try. So I'm going to be mixing all together, and every measurement you'll be seeing it. So let's align the paper. I've already trimmed them out. So let's align. Just a normal process. Apply your butter, align your parchment paper, and dust with flour. Our pans are ready now. I'm going to take them out so that we can go into measuring and see. I'm talking. Go to your room. And my Yoko Nokita, go to your room. So I'm going to go into sieving and measuring my cake.